It's the naughty park. X's and O's?
Fuck the O's.
That's what she said. Or he. Never mind. Aaron is setting up the game board and failing simultaneously. Now he's got it. Are you X or O?
X is bitch.
So that makes me... Alright, you go first. Your turn, sir. I get 2. Ah, there's mosquitoes! This is dumb. Hold yours. Haha, gotcha! Oh, I won for a second. Cat's game. Fail. Kids rule. Uh-oh. I guess we're kicked out. So my all-time favorite part of the park is the swing. And I must say, I've never been on a contraption quite like this, but we'll see how it goes. And we'll see if Willie gets really mad at me. But I can't really seem to get going. Aaron's throwing the ball at me from the rock cave over there. I don't know if you can see it. They're being snarker. Now it's throwing a rock at me down! Come push me, honey. Swing cam. Whee! Oh! I'm slipping out! Oh shit! This is not safe! Ooh! The inside of my legs hurts.
She said.
They really do though. Willie drinks from the bowl really funny. Willie, have some water. Slide. Good boy. Did you get it? You got it! Come here. Drop it. Drop it. Did you already? Oh, it's over here. Oh, you ready? Wait, what's that? Sit. Down. Up. Get it. Ready? Oh, yeah. Hey, you passed it. That's not it. It's over here. Where is it? Where's the ball? Where's the ball, Willie? Where's the ball? I know. Get it. Willie, get the ball. Good boy. Bring it with you. When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie. Oh, I lost it. There it is. That's amore. Oh, I can't keep steady. And there's the sun going down. Moon. Sun. Moon. Sun.